Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new WordPress tutorial video. My name is Pranay and you are watching PROWEBTIPS YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have learned how to install WordPress in WAM server, Jam server or using Bitnami application or Docker container. And in this video, we are going to learn how to install WordPress using local WP WordPress application. So first of all, you need to open localwp.com as you can see on the screen. Then you need to download the software by clicking download. Then you need to choose your platform, Windows, Mac or Linux. Mine is Windows. Okay, then you need to give your name, first name, last name, then your work email, then phone number, and then click get it now. I have already downloaded as you can see on the local 5.9.7 Windows. Now select the user, click next, then select the destination folder and click install. The installation is complete. Now just click finish to run. Now allow some access. Now we need to accept the terms and services. Just click here and click I agree. Okay guys, we are now in the dashboard. Now just hit create a new site and give the name here, and there is an advanced option and just click continue. Then you can save the environment. One is preferred or one is custom. If you use custom, you can set up the PHP version, web server or database. I'm going to leave as it is preferred and then click continue. And we need to set up our WordPress username, so I'm going to give admin and password will be password. And the WordPress email leave as it is by default. You can also, in the advanced option, you can choose multi-site if you want. I'm going to leave as it is no and click add site. Okay guys, the installation is done. Now we can check our website. Just need to click open site. Okay, as you can see, our website is running. For login to WordPress dashboard, we need to type wp login.php, then hit enter. Now we need to enter our username, that was admin, and password was password. As you can see guys, we are in the dashboard now, and you can do anything as a live website. You can install plugin, theme, whatever you want. You can do, you can customize your website, and this application also have an option, but you need to pay some money for these features. That's called tagging. You can connect with your live website and you can experiment in this website, local website, and if your experiment is good, then you can push to your live website or live server. So that is the feature, but you need to buy the features. This is a free version, so you can only install in local server. You can use in your computer. So if you want to connect to host, you can connect by click here, but you need to buy the features. Either you can buy from Flywheel or WP Engine. And that's it for this video. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Have a good day.